Praneeth, continue with your introduction.
My name is Sudhagani Praneeth Kumar. I am a third year undergraduate student of the Department of Bioscience and Biotechnology, enrolled in its BTech course. I am a boarder of Radha Krishnan Hall of Residence. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I am contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2025-2026.
Panelists.
Praneeth, listen. First of all, I'm genuinely disappointed that the IIT KGP elections have come down to this level. There are credible claims that the senators of your hall have offered rupees 1.5 lakhs to BRH. Do you think this is a fair and
Panelists,
electoral
no
action?
personal comments. If you have any questions relevant to his introduction, you can ask, but it's a personal comment. Panelists, you can't ask personal question. You can't ask personal question. No, this is not relevant to candidature. If he has any question relevant to his candidature, if you have any question relevant to his candidature, you can ask. Otherwise, I have to pass the mic. Kindly, everyone. Panelists, you have to sit. Panelists, I'm talking to her. Please be seated. If you have any questions relevant to his candidature, you can ask. Panelists, I request everyone to be seated.
Praneeth, you have proudly mentioned that you are from Hyderabad, Telangana. Can you give your introduction in Telugu as well? Since most of the KGPians are comfortable with Hindi, can you give your introduction in Hindi as well? Please give a Hindi introduction as well as your Telugu introduction. Sir, as English is the medium of communication at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, I would like to communicate in English. But if you still want to know my introduction in Telugu, it is Sudhagani Praneeth Kumar anu nenu జీవశాస్త్రం మరియు జీవ సాంకేతిక విభాగానికి చెందిన 3వ సంవత్సర విద్యార్థుడిని.
Praneeth.
నేను
Praneeth, wait. I will call you once again. Kindly take a step back.
My introduction in Hindi is as follows. मेरा नाम सुधागानी प्रणीत कुमार है. मैं प्रौद्योगिकी स्नातक पाठ्यक्रम में नामांकित जैव विज्ञान एवं जैव प्रौद्योगिकी विभाग का तृतीय वार्षिक छात्र हूं. मैं राधा कृष्णन छात्रावास का आवासी हूं. मैं हैदराबाद, तेलंगाना से हूं. मैं शैक्षणिक सत्र 2025-2026 में प्रौद्योगिकी छात्र जिमखाना भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान खड़गपुर के उपाध्यक्ष पद के लिए चुनाव लड़ रहा हूं।
Panelists, go ahead with next question.
Okay, hi Praneeth. I appreciate the way you gave both of your introductions, and I'm happy to see that, you know, for your Telugu introduction, a lot of people cheered and you were happy to tell your introduction. But,
Sir,
but
you are not audible.
okay, am I audible now? Am I audible? Praneeth, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm saying it is good to see that you know your introductions in both the languages. And I appreciate a lot of cheering in the crowd for your Telugu introduction. But don't you think, Praneeth, don't you think that you are catering to the entire student community? And you being specific while telling the name of your place of residence, the enthusiasm that you had in your voice was not in your entire introduction. How do you justify this?
Sir, I request you to please listen to my answers carefully. I've emphasized all my basic details
No follow-ups.
in my introduction
Mic दिया था, तेरे
in
को mic.
3 different languages.
Panelists, go ahead with your question.
Praneeth, as far as I know, your current CGPA is 7.02. And the minimum CGPA required to graduate from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur is 6, as far as I know. If your CGPA continues to decline, will this position be worth it? Will this position be worth it for you? Tell me yes or no, and then justify how.
Sir, first of all, I request you to please recheck your facts. As an esteemed panelist, stating such false facts in front of the general body, misleading the general body, is not accepted. And the way you have questioned on the credibility and the roles and responsibilities of the position of Vice President has disheartened me. I request you to please correct your facts.
Praneeth, you proudly mentioned in 3 different languages that you are a boarder of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence. Is Radhakrishnan the full name of the person who is being referred to here? What are his contributions and how does your hall celebrate his legacy?
Sir, answering to your first question, Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence was named after Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Answering to your second question, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher and statesman. He served as the first Vice President and second President of India. Answering to your third question, Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence celebrates Teachers' Day celebration in the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on his birth anniversary, which is 5th of September.
Praneeth, panelists, this will be the last question.
Praneeth, firstly, a fellow panelist asked you a question and you didn't answer. Secondly, Sagar, the current vice president, asked you to sit down and you didn't. KGB doesn't deserve such an indecent leader. Why don't you self-respect and step back from the position?
Sir, answering to your first question, your co-panelist has stated wrong facts in front of the general body.
answering to your second question. As a candidate contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, I am here to give my statement of purpose for which I am standing here.
Let's go, sit down. Praneeth, you can take your seat.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's go, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I request all the
Since my first day at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, the community that I have been blessed with, the bonds that I have formed, and the experiences that I have gained has made me the person whom I am today. From the very beginning of my campus journey, I've been deeply driven by the motivation to serve the student community at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, which is why I'm standing here in front of the general body of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, asking for this opportunity to fulfill this goal. Our institute was declared as an institute of national importance in the year 1956 to create future citizens who will become global leaders. In the year 2015, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has found the need to instill ideas of innovation in young minds to propel them towards creating game-changing technologies and products. With this motivation, the Students' Branding and Relations Cell has come up with the Young Innovators Program. Under the Office of International Relations. In my second year as a student member at Students' Branding and Relations Cell, I, along with my team, have collectively raised sponsorship amount of 4 lakh Indian rupees and achieved an impressive participation of 3,000 students. Post-event, I, along with my team, were involved in encouraging these young minds to file patents, out of which 1 out of 3 winners from the senior division have filed their patents at a very young age. Seeing my dedication and performance, I was promoted to the post of General Secretary at Students' Branding and Relations Cell. Where I, along with my team, have successfully conducted the 6th edition of Young Innovators Program with an impressive 48% increase in the total fund inflow. and welcoming participation of 3,600 participants from various countries, including India, Denmark, Singapore, Malaysia,
Praneeth.
and Dubai.
Praneeth, wait.
Acknowledgement of success has always been a great catalyst in people's excellence, as well as creating inspiring role models in students' minds. With this in mind, I, along with my team, have organized the Spotlight series featuring prominent individuals from various domains. I, along with my team, have published the first edition of KGB Directory to guide the freshers of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, through various aspects of campus life, recognizing the insights from the behemoths of industries that our seniors had of seeking. I have worked as a head at TEDx IIT Kharagpur in various facets like finance, logistics, and publicity. Conducting the TEDx event in the year 2024 with the help of my seniors under my guidance. The event was a major success with more than 900 registrations, making it the first offline event in the past 5 years in this institute.
Panelists from only one panelist from each hall.
The rich culture and heritage of my hometown, Hyderabad, Telangana, has played an important role in my upbringing. I always wished to be a part of place where other people felt belonged. From my first year at Students Telugu Cultural Association, I, along with my team, were involved in reviving and rebuilding the association after the long pandemic. In my third year as an alumni relations and finance head at Students Telugu Cultural Association, I, along with my team, have raised 60,000 Indian rupees for the first time ever and creating strong communication channels, ensuring interaction with recently graduated alumni. Along with my institute activities, I was also involved in my Hall of Residence, the Radha Krishnan Hall of Residence. I've served as a vice captain in case study and product management event in General Championship Technology. Also, being a part of 2 consecutive bronze winning illuminations, Teachers' Day celebration, and various intra-hall events. Prodigy Digitals is a freelancing agency where I, along with my team, have raised contracts worth 3.5 lakh Indian rupees, which motivated us to co-found Design Club at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Creating a platform for all design enthusiasts inside the campus. Conducting various competitions and workshops. I was also involved as a senior member at Share IIT Kharagpur, contributing to various projects like Incubator, Vivaldis Animal Health, and Upsparks Capitals, and involving in various internal events including Bid to Pitch and Equity Research Report, and developing content on consulting firms. Apart from my involvements inside campus, I've also interned at Memory Point, One Lab Ventures, and Prime Wise Consulting, which shows my diverse involvements inside and outside the campus of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. All these involvements have shaped my personality, inculcating dedication, time management, leadership, resilience, and empathy. I would like to use these skills for the betterment of student community at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. If elected as the Vice President of Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2025-2026, I'm confident that I'll embrace all the responsibilities driving the student community towards a positive change, reaching new heights.
Thank you, Praneeth, for delivering a statement of purpose. Panelists, go ahead with the questions.
Hi, Praneeth. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
I have one question and one follow-up for you, okay? When asked in your introduction, to give your introduction in your regional language, you didn't even take a split second to consider it. Now I'm asking you to reintroduce your SOP in every other regional language. Do it in Bengali, do it in Marathi. And if you're unable to do so, is this how you are going to churn out your votes? Is this how your elections are being conducted in IIT Kharagpur in terms of regional division and preferences?
Ma'am, I request you to please refrain from putting any baseless allegations on my candidature. I've never tried
Let him
to
complete, let him
divide
complete.
students among communities. The Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur is unique for its nature in promoting brotherhood amongst its students.
I am telling you,
Please
if
let
one
me
student
complete my
doesn't know
answer.
your language,
Ma'am,
if one student
please
doesn't
let
know
me complete
Telugu,
my answer.
Panelists, let him complete, let
Please
him
let me
complete.
complete my answer.
Candidate, go ahead.
Complete your
Sir,
answer.
ma'am,
Let
please
us
let
know.
me complete my answer. As the esteemed panelist has requested me to introduce in all the languages in which I am proficient, and it was reasonable as well. So, I've introduced, but English is a medium of communication at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and this statement of purpose.
You are done with your answer? Now I am telling you, I am a person who doesn't know Telugu. When I know your answer, when you have given your answer in Telugu, I felt discriminated. How are you going to justify it? I am telling you, give your justification in Bengali. Start your justification.
Panelists, let me sit.
Ma'am,
You have
I've
already
even
answered for
given
You have
my
already asked your
introduction
follow-up.
in
You have
English
already asked your
and
follow-up.
Hindi as
Only
well.
follow-up is allowed.
I said try to be clear to the general body with my basic details.
Praneeth, just 6 hours ago, a post was released from official media handles of SBRC and IIT KGP, which was clearly aiming to further your candidature. Isn't this a blatant abuse of your POR? You misused institute's
Sir,
official handle.
I request you
And
to
for
please
me,
recheck your
let
facts.
me complete my
It was
question.
a spotlight
Let me
series.
complete my question.
The first taken by
Are
me.
you disrespecting
Oh,
the panelists?
the Chief Executive Officer,
Praneeth,
Mr.
be humble.
Divyamman Banerjee, the CEO
Let him complete.
of AI
Let him
for
complete.
ICPS. I request you to please recheck your facts and do not mislead the general body over here.
Let me complete my question. You are very quick to jump to answers.
Sir, I request you
Apologize and
to
be
ask
humble.
only the question. Do not mislead the general body.
Do you really believe someone like you should even contest for vice president's position?
Sir, can you please be louder?
Praneeth, is any of the student having disciplinary committee action is allowed to sit in the panel as a panelist for the top box?
Panelists, you have to ask questions relevant to his candidature, not on the panelists. You have to ask questions relevant. Panelists, kindly be seated. Panelists, kindly be seated. Mayur, kindly be seated. Panelists, kindly be seated. Panelists, you don't have to ask questions on the panelists. If you have any questions relevant to the candidature, you can ask. Otherwise, I have to hand over the mic to everyone. You have already asked the question on the panel. You have already asked the question. Panelists, you have already asked the question. If you have any questions relevant to the candidature, then you can ask. I have to hand over mic to other panelists. Kindly, everyone, panelists, kindly be seated. Panelists, kindly be seated. Then only we will be able to move forward. Panelists, kindly be seated. Panelists, you can't ask questions on the panelists. If you have any questions relevant to candidature, then you can ask.
Praneeth, hi. So, across various platforms, you have actually claimed that I think you have said in your SOP as well, it was not clearly audible, that you are one of the founders of the Design Club, right? So, Design Club is one of the clubs where it has been occasionally and more than enough occasionally been said that RS and PG students are not given entry. So given that allegation in mind, would you be kind enough to let
Sir,
me
you are
complete the
not
question?
clear.
Let me
Sir,
complete the
you are
question.
not
Let
clear.
me complete
Can
the
you please
question.
repeat your question?
Praneeth, let me complete.
Sir, you are not clear.
I will ask you the question, Praneeth. You cannot be clear about the question before the question is complete. Can you please tell me the number of RS students that are there in your design club? A club that you have claimed to have found.
Sir, as an esteemed panelist, you should be aware that the design club is not yet open for the selections of the general body. Praneeth, very sad to hear that few of the...
Panelists, he has a follow-up.
Definitely.
Praneeth, are you sure you want to go through on that? Because I can show you LinkedIn post where you have claimed to be the founder of the design club. As a founder, then you should have been clear in that post that it is not open to the general public. Because the information was passed through your LinkedIn post.
Sir, I request you to please listen to my answers carefully. I've mentioned that the design club is still in its initial phase and the co-founders are currently discussing
for its working and functioning, which is why it is currently not open for the general bodies for the selection of its members.
Praneeth, very sad that few of the panelists are upset with your Telugu introduction. I don't think that it is a bad thing since it is your mother tongue. You have to represent yourself in mother tongue. But I accept that you had also given your introduction in Hindi as well. I don't think there is such problem. So,
You don't have to make statements. You just ask questions. We are already running behind the time. You just ask questions, and if I follow, you
relax
follow.
for all the panelists who had made the
Please ask
made their earlier
questions.
statements.
We don't have enough time to make statements. If you have questions, please ask.
Let me ask.
Panelists, please go ahead with your question.
Praneeth, you were proudly mentioning Radha Krishnan Hall of Residence in your introduction. During the semi-finals of table tennis match this year in the General Championship, Radha Krishnan Hall of Borders of Radha Krishnan Hall of Residence were having dispute with Borders of RP Hall of Residence. Why so? So if you become the Vice President of Gymkhana, will you encourage all this shit?
Sir, in the vicinity of General Championship, where the sportsmanship and the culture and legacy of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur is carried, these movements are quite possible at the heat of the movement. But it is important that the concerned authorities and the student representatives have promptly act to get the situation under control.
Panelists, go ahead.
Pranit, please answer me. How many editions of TEDx have been conducted till now?
Sir, till now, there are 9 editions of TEDx IIT Kharagpur conducted in this institute from 2013 to 2024.
Pranit, you are from BARC, right? Tell me why BARC was renamed and tell me your lessons you learned at IIT Kharagpur.
Sir, can you please repeat your question?
Candidate asked to repeat the question.
Tell me why BARC was renamed and tell me what was your lessons you learned at BARC.
Sir, answering your first question, the branding and relations cell was renamed as Students Branding and Relations Cell to emphasize that it is a student-run organization under the Dean International Relations. Answering to your second question, my involvement from first year at Students Branding and Relations Cell has played an important role in shaping my personality, improving me as an overall person and inculcating qualities like time management, leadership, empathy, and personality development.
Janta, I request everyone to kindly be seated so that we can move forward with the soapbox.
Panelists, if you have any questions relevant to my candidature, you can ask me.
Pranit, I want to ask you a very simple, straightforward question, and I read a very simple, straightforward answer. I just want to know about your awareness, general awareness of institute rules and regulations. If a student is found forging the signature of a dean, then what are the repercussions that the student can face? And if the student also happens to be a placement committee member, then what happens?
Sir, thank you for asking this question and showing interest in the rules and regulations of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. But I believe I am here to present my statement of purpose. So as a panelist, you should be aware that you should only ask questions relevant to my candidature. If you want to know for the rules and regulations regarding the institute, I can surely guide you on it after my statement of purpose.
First of all, this is a follow-up. This is a follow-up. This is a follow-up.
You have to seat it. You can ask questions while sitting only.
मैं seated हूँ. This is a follow-up. First of all, you should be aware of the rules and regulations, institute rules and regulations.
Sir,
पीछे
I
ले.
request you
खत्म नहीं हुआ
to
पीछे.
please listen to my news carefully.
पीछे हो, खत्म नहीं हुआ.
Never mention
ठीक है.
that I am not
पीछे हो.
aware.
पीछे हो.
Sir,
पीछे हो, चल. पीछे हो.
sir, I request you.
फॉलोअप सुन ले पहले. पीछे हो ना. पीछे हो, फॉलोअप सुन ले पहले.
Sir,
रट के माता. रटवा आंसर मत दे मुझे.
sir, I request you to please listen to my answers carefully.
नहीं सुनना. पहले
Before
क्वेश्चन सुन.
asking,
पहले क्वेश्चन सुन.
follow up.
पहले क्वेश्चन सुन. पहले क्वेश्चन सुन. पहले क्वेश्चन सुन.
Sir, I request you to please listen to my answers carefully before asking any follow-up.
चढ़ कैसे रहे हो? इतना तो मैच्योर बनो ना. कैमरे में आ रहे हो. अरे ठीक है, चिल है. मैं दे दूंगा. फॉलो अप तो लेने.
Pranit, can you hear me? Pranit, can you hear me? Pranit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, रुक जा.
If you continue like this, let us stop this soap. And now you have enough idea about all the candidates. And we can stop these things and you cast your vote on the basis of your judgment. It's fine. If you do like this, we have to cancel the event.
You can sit. We are not moving forward with your statement of purpose now onwards. You can sit. Praneeth, you can sit. I am not moving forward with the rest of the questioning answers. You can have a taxi.
You play.
Praneeth, you can take your seat. Panelists, this will be the last question.
Okay, Praneeth, why do you like to promote substance abuse and smoking illegal substances amongst your bar juniors on institute property? We all have proof here, Praneeth. Justify.
Sir, shouting in mic does not make a false allegation a true event.
We have proof, Pranit. We have proof.
Sir,
We have proof
please
against
let me
you.
complete my answer. Please let me complete my answer.
Panelists, you have a follow.
Started that an esteemed panelist is making such allegations on a morphed video.
Okay, Pranit, I have a follow-up. You have the instances of inviting a F grade to in your report card and finally securing a CGPA of 7.02. Do you promote such academic results amongst your juniors too?
Sir, first of all, I request you to please ask questions relevant to my candidature. As an esteemed panelist, you should be aware for a person to contest for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Simkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, they must have a minimum of 7.00 cumulative grade point average without any active backlogs. I fulfill all the criteria, including these two. So your question is invalid and irrelevant to my candidature.
Thank you, Pranit. You may take your seat.
Thank you, everyone.
Moving forward with the proposals, I request every candidate to hand over a print of their proposals to the panelists. I request every panelist to hand over a print of their proposals to the panelists. Janta, this will be going to the last segment of the soapbox. So I request general body.
If elected as the Vice President of Technology Students Simkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2025-2026, apart from bearing my regular roles and responsibilities, I will propose Proposal 1, enhancing support and opportunities for postgraduate and research scholar students. The current students face issues with absence of proper systems to raise academic concerns or change supervisors, which limits feedbacks and recognition. Accessing research facilities and scheduling slots, placement processes, and statistics. I improve 4 things: ensuring timely seminar for research scholar with structured seminars and semester-wise seminar calendars, strengthening academic grievance redressal with introducing central academic grievance cell and standard operating procedure for supervisor change, improving access to research facilities by including a live slot calendar and time-bound auto-approval mechanism, expanding career and placement support for research scholars and postgraduate students with optimized placement timelines, specialized career support, and a choice to do a 6-month internship Proposal 2, KGB Nexus, a unified open source platform for all stakeholders involved in processes such as hiring for startups, participation in internal, external competitions, and undertaking of research projects under the professors of the institute. Currently, various opportunities such as internships, internal, external hackathons, and job opportunities are catered by public relations chairperson's mails and are published through WhatsApp messages. These messages are easily lost in time and cannot be held up for further follow-ups. Also, if a student wants to opt for a research project, there is a lack of platform to view vacancies and ongoing projects by the professors of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. KGB Nexus will serve as a centralized hub for PRC opportunities, hackathon notifications, and research project portal, which would impact on centralized opportunity access, increased student participation, improved research collaborations, structured career planning. My proposal 3 aims to streamline complaint management, addressing inefficiencies in the current mess and maintenance systems. The current mess and maintenance systems are capped by the use of physical registers instead of using an end-to-end website, which lacks in monitoring, filtering, and maintaining transparency in the process with least possible inconvenience. I propose a dedicated website which consists of basic information, infrastructure complaints, mess feedback, and spam prevention. A separate dashboard will be provided to all the relevant stakeholders, including hall managers, hall management center officials, and wardens of each of the halls of residence.
Praneeth, keep your proposals explanations very concise.
Which improves and lowers the threshold and improving transparency of the complaint process, which would impact on encouraging more students to report issues, streamlining processes of all managers, increased accountability and actions.
Praneeth, are you done with your proposals?
Yes, sir.
Panelists, kindly ask questions.
Pranit, in your second proposal, you mentioned KGP Nexus. Who will be the stakeholders of KGP Nexus and who will verify whether the students, the information is authenticate or not? Who will be the stakeholders?
Sir, the proposed stakeholders for KGB Nexus will be the student representatives from Technology Students Gymkhana, which includes the Public Relations Chairperson, Technology Coordinators, and the Secretaries of Technology Students Gymkhana will coordinate with the governors of each of the societies, student placement committee members, and the professors of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Praneeth, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm talking about your third proposal, which is streamlining complaint management. There are some subpart to the questions, so listen carefully.
do you know of any hall of residence which has this system currently? If yes, then name the hall. If no, take this proposal and throw it in the dustbin.
Sir, I propose to implement a centralized platform for all the students not representing any of the hall of residence.
Just answer the
Sir.
question. Just answer the question.
Please let me
Just
complete
answer
my
the question.
answer. Currently, there is no such portal available for the general body of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, streamlining all the complaints at various locations, including halls of residence, public places.
Hello Pranit, I hope I am audible. So, coming to your first proposal, so there is a mention regarding providing a dedicated timeline for PG and RS. So, just wanted to know, did you talk to CDC office or any concerned stakeholders regarding this dedicated window? And also, are you aware of the AIPC guidelines and what do they tell relevant to the proposal?
Sir, I've considered the opinion of all the relevant stakeholders before introducing this proposal to empower the postgraduate and research scholar students at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. My groundwork includes to propose a research scholar student at Career Development Center who would coordinate with the proposed Central Academic Grievance Cell to streamline the seminars, then representing the research scholar students at Career Development Center and planning timely workshops, mock interviews and seminars to increase the placemental statistics for research scholar and postgraduate students.
Pradeep, in your first proposal, you mention about making CAGC cell, which is a communication platform between student and PG and RS students, professors and PG and RS students. However, there is a wide chance that there can be anonymous feedbacks and there can be multiple feedbacks by students which are propagately used to defame any professors. How is your platform going to be robust to tackle such situations?
Sir, the proposed committee of Central Academic Grievance Cell do include the stakeholders of professors and students as well, who would further decide on the authenticity of the complaint. Praneeth, since you very well know you did not answer the question of my fellow panelists, right? You just vagued your answer here and about. Can you tell me what are the guidelines under the AIPC? Tell me very clearly each point. Sir, in case you want to know all the guidelines of all IIT placement committee, we can surely discuss this after my statement of purpose.
Praneeth,
there is no need to follow, no need to give vague answers. Just give me the guidelines.
He's not asking a follow-up.
clearly the answers.
Kindly be seated. Kindly be
Sir,
seated.
Sir,
Panelists,
please
tell me
listen to
clearly.
my answer. Sir, please listen to my answer. And my groundwork is not just limited
have
to the
answered questions,
proposals
no follow-ups.
that I have mentioned.
Last question.
We can surely discuss this after my statement of purpose.
Praneeth, if a hall manager doesn't forward a complaint, how is the online system more transparent? What if HMC officials don't respond? How can you rely on the ordinary mess ratings? Please give me the clear answer.
Sir, can you please repeat your question? Praneeth, yes, I'm repeating your question. My question, sorry. So,
Candidates, panelists, please ask your question as soon as possible. Panelists, last question.
Yes, Pranit, this is with regard to your second proposal, that is KGP Nexus. So from the past 2-3 years, we see that the institute website is very poorly maintained. So how will you manage the tech coordinators for PRC? Will there be more tech coordinators and any new structure for the developer society?
Sir, as I've clearly mentioned, that the KGB Nexus will be an open source platform where each and every student who is a part of general body can suggest edits on the concerned platform. And in case still there is a requirement in the number of technology coordinators or the hierarchy of developer society, this can be surely discussed with the concerned stakeholders.
Thank you, Praneeth. You can take your seat.